This conference will now be recorded.
So now anyone tell me how I'll do the result again? Equals
Sum.
sum or result ma. I want to find whether they pass or fail.
If
Okay.
open bracket
Okay.
and again an open bracket.
Okay.
We'll select a range from maths to social.
Match to you have to select like this.
Like, and also you did it single, like B2 greater than or equal to 35.
Pass. Value of 2 means pass. Value of false means then. Okay. Now if the student is pass, I want what is the total value of 5 subject. If not fail, what can be the formula for that one? Tell fast. I hope you would have seen the message in the group. People who are answering and people who are active, only for them the marks will be allocated. I hope everyone have received the message and read that, right? Okay. You should be in the active. Who are on the active way, because whenever you are talking, okay, in the top in for me it will be showing talking whom, their name. When I'm talking, it's showing my name. When you are talking from your side or if you're texting your side, I hope you know that even you know that that name will be showing here. And talking, your name will be there. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. So who are all replying for my question? Okay, just 1 second. Anyone tell me please? What is total? How to find out the total? If I want, if the student is pass, total of 5 subjects. If not fail. If you can't tell me, just you can message the formula in the chat box. Who is answering for this question? Exact the correct answer. 2 marks confirmed from the 10 marks. And I'll give one, and I'll give for one absent also, I'll give present. 1 mark I'll give extra. I want, what is my question? If the student is passed, total of 5 subjects. I wanted here. If the student is failed, I wanted just as it is failed. Someone has sent in the group, but the right answer, I don't know who's that.
Excuse me, sir.
Just tell me, ma.
Can I tell, sir?
Tell me, ma.
First, if we should take is equal to if,
Okay.
then we should take in the bracket the result part. We
If
should
I have
choose
to
the
take
result.
a,
Yeah, if.
okay.
And then a result option, the pass this thing, the
If this
column
is, yeah, if this is,
is equal to in quotate pass we should write,
okay.
and then comma,
Okay, pass,
then sum,
pass, I want quotation mark, then
comma,
comma. Okay.
sum.
Okay, so you're telling that if this is equals to pass, that means nothing but whatever she's telling, this cell is equals to pass means whatever is there inside that cell, if it is like this, you're coming to say, if it is whatever is there in this cell, if it is like this, comma,
Yes.
value of true means what, ma?
Uh, we should take sums so that we
Come.
can
Okay,
sum,
SUM,
and
sum,
then some
and value
minutes
of
to
true, if
source
it is like
the
pass,
column.
this 5
Yeah.
subject. Yeah, very good. Close bracket,
And then
comma,
comma fail and
false
quoted
means
fail.
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 Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is nothing but the answer for total. The same thing, if you take for this one also, equals if this is equals to pass, whatever is there in this cell, if that is equals to pass, if whatever content is there inside that cell, if it is nothing but pass, then I have to take value of true means average. Of this 5 subjects, close bracket, comma, false means same like this remaining also. Okay, so this you try. Okay, if I want to do DA, then how you will do? DA is nothing but 45% on the basic salary. Average, I don't want average, ma. Meghna. If the student is pass, average. If not, fail. If the student is pass, minimum. If not, fail. The same concept. I don't want average, minimum, maximum. I know very well that you know that. I want if the student is pass, then minimum. If not, fail. I want if the student is pass, maximum. If not, fail only. Understood? Another Viva have sent Viva, just whenever you're sending that photo, just keep the cursor on that cell and then send me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that I can see the formula what you have given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what is this will be the answer for this. So equals 45% on this basic pay is nothing but basic pay into 45%, right? Then DA is nothing but 45% from the basic salary means equals 45% into basic pay will generate this HRA. How much percentage HRA? House rent allowance? 10%.
10%.
Yeah. So basic pay into 10%. RA
Eighteen
how much?
percent.
18%. Equals sum. Gross salary is nothing but what? Total of basic pay and 3 allowances. PT, professional tax is nothing but what? See, this one you have to tell. This and all easy, so simply I did this one. PT, professional tax, if it is greater than the 15,000, I should get 200. If not, I should get 0. In the tableau, we will do like if the profit is greater than, this is the message I should get. If the profit is lesser than this much, this is the message I should get. Like that, we will see. So same way here, if the basic pay, this one, if the basic pay is greater than 15,000, then professional tax is 200. If not, 0. How you will do that one?
Sir, equals to if C2 less than 15,000 comma 0 quoted comma 200 in quotation.
Less than
50
15.
no sir 15,000 comma 0 comma 200 in quotations.
No. Only for text.
Okay.
Only for text, you have to use quotations, for not for numbers. Okay, so same thing for ESI also. That is nothing but if this is greater than 15,000, 0. If not, 1.75 percentage on basic pay. And the PF, Provident Fund is nothing but equals if this one is greater than 15,000, value of true means 1,800. If not, 12% on basic.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, ma.
HRA from basic salary you have taken, no, sir?
Yes, ma'am. But yes, ma'am. But what? Basically, they will take based on gross salary. But here I'm taken based on that basic pay because they are
Yeah.
given just 50,000.
Okay,
I
sir.
understood what you're coming to ask. Basically, in the company, they'll take based on the gross salary. Here, because I not change the values. Purposely, it has been done like that. Okay. Now, total deduction is nothing but what? Equals sum of that net salary is nothing but equals gross salary minus total deduction. Clear, right? Okay. So the last final sheet, count sum average I don't wanted. Count if I wanted to you to do, tell me. One second. How we will do this? Okay. Each of you individually text me the formula in the chat box. Each of you individually text me the formula in the chat box. How you will do count if you can take the left side data and tell me. Okay, one now texted another. Count if Prajna has sent me one answer. Okay, others. So let me show you. Equals count counts the number of cells within a range that meets given condition. Select the tab. Okay, something range I'm selecting. Counts the number of cells what I'm giving based on the conditions. If this is the range, comma, criteria is nothing but condition, the double quotes, I'm giving USC. So whatever Prajna has sent is right. So in this place, totally I'm having 6 USA options. Okay, sum if equals sum if this is the range, comma, and the criteria is USA and sum range. Sum of range means for which range I can do sum for this one. Close bracket, enter. Equals average if this is the range, comma, criteria is USA, average range is if this much. Okay, if this is the range, and here USA is nothing but that criteria, and what will be the average range. Okay, so now the same thing we will do it in the Tableau. For example, I'm taking this data, only this much you take, create a new Excel, paste it there. Just I'm saving this in the documents. Okay, I close this one, and even I close this too. Okay, now I open Tableau. I connect that Excel file what I taken the data, right, to the data to the Tableau here. So do that, everyone do the same thing. I'm connecting that data to now Tableau. Okay, just take this and click on open. I taken whatever the file is that one I taken. I click on open. Everyone have taken that. And for you, all
Yes,
of you,
sir.
it is saying like Tableau license is expiring tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, okay. So make that internet sure it's working proper today. Sorry, tomorrow. This high speed internet, or else you keep the file whatever you downloaded, right? The Tableau file. I think which I downloaded here. I don't know where it is there. Keep that file, what we have downloaded, take it and keep it in one place so that we have to use that re again in that next class. Okay, so now I'll go for the sheet view. Student name, take all the 5 subjects. Taken all the 5 subjects, load it like this. Okay, now what I wanted, I want to create the same thing whatever we have done there. I want here whether they are pass or fail. I wanted here the next one more column whether they are pass or fail. Okay, how can I do this here in the Tableau? It is very simple. We are using an option called as data blending, which is called as calculation option, calculating field. So now see what I'm going to do here. That's very simple. Just right click in this place where I'm having the empty area. Just do a right click, small right click. Just click on create calculated field. Create calculated field. I'm finding pass or fail. So this is my formula name. That is nothing but whether the measure or dimension. What is the name I'm going to giving for the calculated field? The name for the calculated field is pass or fail. Okay, so on the right side you can see this arrow mark which is used to show the formula and how we have to use the formula. How in the Excel it was showing same exactly. It is very easy to understand here also. They are giving with the example also. That's what one more advantage where it makes you to understand how to do that one. Clear?
Sir, repeat again, sir.
This one, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, ma. 1 second. See here. I'll delete off this now. Wait. Slow. So now just I do right click here. See calculated field where you have to do right click in this place in the empty area where you are having measures rights. Below that, if you have any empty area, just do right click and create calculated field. Okay, getting right. Just you give pass fail. Done. So now just click on below this place. In this place, you just click it. So there here where we are going to write our formulas. Okay, so for example, if I want to do total also, I can give total, or if I want to do pass or fail also, I can give
Yes.
whatever I wanted here. Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, I'm not getting it, sir.
No, can you see this empty area here in this place? Simply to write down. Don't want in
I
any place.
that, sir, I-
Right click. You're having the first option as calculated field.
Yes, sir.
Just click on this calculated field. So then what you're getting?
It's empty, sir. Only calculation one. Okay,
Yeah, it
I
will be
can see.
empty only. It will be empty only. It will be empty only.
And you're getting something, sir, like number.
This one, okay, this one you're not done. Okay. See here. So that's very simple. I'm taking student name, double click on student name, English, double click, Kannada, maths, science, social. I'm just doing double click on all that.
I did that, sir. I did everything. I'm not getting the calculation, sir.
These numbers you're not getting.
I got
Send me a
that,
photo.
sir.
Send me a photo.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just send me a photo. I'll just say that. What is that? Okay. The sheet one you
Sir, I.
remove it. Sheet one you remove it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that count of sheet one you remove it. I hope remaining everything are fine. Nothing. Okay. And below the left area, wherever is the left side in this place, right? Here you do. You're taken this sheet one also, so that you're getting this option here. You remove the sheet one from here in this place. Getting?
I removed it, sir, but then I'm getting the same.
After removing also you're getting that 1230. So 111.
No, sir. I'm not getting, but the calculation, the same I'm getting. Only calculation and okay.
Yes, ma. Wait. We just creating calculated field. You're getting calculation and okay. Still, I have not written any formula. If you want this right side one, just the small arrow mark here,
Okay, sir.
this one. Okay. I'll tell you just how to write that formulas now. So I'm going to find out average. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here, first you have to start find of average of what? Average of what and all you are going to take? Average of English. Sorry. English and Kannada, maths, science, social, and finally close bracket, enter. Okay. So when I'm doing, so when it's showing it is error here, expected closing parenthesis or comma while passing arguments list of average. Okay. So I'll just tell you what is this error. If I take AVG here, 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So now just you can see the error. What they're telling us, we have to give either comma or anything else to do the sum, or some additional has been required yesterday. So that is nothing but here basically what we used to do in the Excel, we used to do comma or just range or together. But here we have to use the plus button what previously I used and showed you. But I cancelled that because I wanted to explain you that what is actually absence here. So now when I do the function properly, then it will be giving me a message is nothing but called as the calculation is valid. If I do it wrong, okay, something if I do it wrong, then it will give me a message that there is nothing but the calculation contains error, which will help me to solve that error. And if everything are right, then it will be used to solve, apply the calculation is valid and okay. So now you can see equals hashtag, which is nothing but what I have created. Just do a double click on this so that I'll be getting what is the average of that all 5 subjects.
Sir, still I'm getting calculation contains error, sir.
Oh, why? The formula, one second, one second. This one again. I remove this one. I edit the formula. See whether it is the formula what you're using. Exactly compare it, or else I will write one more time. You see, AVG average. I told in the Excel also. In Tableau we don't have full name like average. Just AVG expression is nothing but English plus Kannada plus maths plus science plus social, close bracket. Okay, once you finish all, keep your cursor at the last so you can see the calculation is valid. You're seeing that one?
Yes, sir.
Then give apply and okay. So then just do a double click. It will come in the last. If not comes in the last, if it is there in the first, we just drag it, move it to the last one. So where I'm getting the average. Clear until here, right? So just complete this one and take 5 minutes break. We'll just continue that on the 525. Okay. So now what I wanted here, next I wanted to find out whether they have passed or failed. So I'm giving the condition here. Based on the condition, we have to find out. Okay, I'll teach you the formula also how to do that. First, basically whatever we have done in that Excel, the same thing, but slightly small change will be there. Okay, so what is that means? If the average is greater than 300, then the student is passed. If not, average, if it is greater than 250, then fail. Else, if that is even less than miss, last. So like this, we want to create multiple criteria in this place. But before creating that multiple criteria, first you have to understand very small concept of if condition in Tableau. Okay, just I'll tell you, just hold it, hold it here itself like this, same as it. Okay, just what you do, create a new sheet. Sorry, not one new sheet, add a new data. What is our sales is the right, that only we add it, don't want anything. Our global superstore, this only you take it, that hold you. First I'll explain you if differences, then I'll show you how to do that here. Okay, take order sheet, go for sheet view. Okay, so here I will take profit. So like category or subcategory, let's take subcategory. So please create this one. It's very simple. Just you take our old global superstore file only. Taken this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now my question for this place.
I didn't get it, sir. Sir, how did you take that global Superstore 2016 in the second sheet?
Just click on this logo here in this place. Okay. Excel.
Yeah, I
And
got it,
like
sir.
that is one concept is there about that also. Okay. How we would make it as one as primary, one as secondary. You can see in this place like this primary, secondary, it will be keep on changing. That and I'll tell you that what is the difference about that. Then you take subcategory and sum of profit in this place. And make it descending order. So now very simple. I'm going to write a formula. Okay. So what is my question is if sum of profit is lesser than 0, then I wanted like bad or whatever it is. Or if the sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then performing good like that. So for example, I'll take this one. I'll write the question. You see, if this sum of profit is uh, greater than 50,000, then they are performing good. there true or false we get together, but in this place true, again false, again else if, three partitions are there. That's what I want to explain you first. If inside here, then we'll go for pass or fail. If the sum of profit is greater than 15,000, then they are performing good. Okay, so now just right click anywhere in this place. Calculated field, create calculated field. I'm finding what? Result 1 or something. Report 1 I'll give. If, see, I'm going to write a formula in this. You now you see what is the difference between the Excel and Tableau. If, okay, sum of profit is greater than 50,000, okay, if sum of profit is greater than 15,000, then performing good. If not, so now see the formula. If sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then here only we are giving, then true or false is the right. Here true is nothing but for, this is the logical test in this place. Okay, so here I'll show you. See, this is the logical test. If sum of profit is greater than 50,000, value if true we are saying, right? That is then. If it is greater than 50,000 means what? That is what this then. Then if it is there like this means performing good. That's it. I am ending the function. End is nothing but I am ending the function. If sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then if the value is true is that, then it has to show me as performing good. After that, I'm ending the function. I'm not continuing with anything else. Okay, the same here also I'm giving the same thing, and then just give apply and just give us okay. Now you are getting report 1 in the left side. Now equals ABC report 1 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Just do a double click on that. You are getting that two differentiations. Legends, one is null and performing good. Color variations it is showing. We just drag and drop it to label like this.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, ma.
can you do it
Mhm.
again, sir?
Yes, sir. Can you do it
Ah,
again, sir?
yeah, I'll do it. From where? From the formula.
Yes, sir.
I'll delete off this one. See in this below place, doing right click, create calculated field. Okay, I'm giving us report 1 or any name. Click here. If is used to do a single logical test. Based on that, we can test this whether it is true or false. That's what we have learned in the Excel. But here, true, false, and multiple logical tests. So that stands slightly different things. If Okay, expression then then else if expression 2 then 2, like this you can see in the right side. So if profit is greater than 0, then profitable. Else if not, that value of true or false, like that we can take these conditions, multiple condition, two condition, three conditions. So two conditions, then else, three condition, then else if else, like that it will come. First we will do one condition, then two, and three I will go. If sum, okay, sum are taken, expression is profit, sum of profit. I'm using which key to select that one? Can anyone tell me which key I'm using to select that one? That particular profit, if I want to select, which key I'm using?
Tab, sir.
Okay, so now sum of profit, if it is greater than, give a space, greater than 0 you give. Okay, and we have opened the bracket here, that one I have to close it here. The sum of profit is greater than, I'm giving 50,000. Okay, if sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then space, it has to show me as, there we used to use double inverted comma, but here single. Good. Once you enter the text perfectly, you can see that in the graded, then end. That's it. If the sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then performing good. There itself I'm ending the functions. Okay, whatever I've done mistakes, right. If sum of profit is greater than 0. Okay, anything I'm missing here? I've given two spaces like that.
Bracket after 50,000.
No, it's there here. Okay, correct. Extra bracket I given. I have to remove that, correct. So here I opened, then here I closed. I used one more extra one. Okay. So next, give apply. Okay. So now just I drag and drop it here. I remove off that. I'll drag and drop it into, like rows or in columns like this. See, peoples who are all greater than 1 lakh are performing good. But I have ended the function if lesser than I have not given. That means value if false under, value of true means I given performing good. Value false, I have not mentioned anything. I have not taken at all, so that it is giving now null value. So null is nothing but I have not mentioned anything, so it is showing that null, because I taken value of true performing good. Value false, I not given anything, I have not taken, there itself with one condition itself I have ended the functions. Again the same function report to, I'm going to continue here. Okay, again continue report to, again create calculated field, report to, click here, if sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then performing good. Else, we have to use what? One more function is what? Else. If not, that is false condition. Else is nothing but value of true is, then value of false is else. Else, if not, then what? And finally, how you have to give end the function? In that Excel, we used to give close bracket. In Tableau, we used to give a formula end, saying that we are ending the formula. And see this, and I'll increase that width of this. 1 second. If sum of profit is greater than 15,000, then performing good. Else, if not, too bad. And I'm ending the function. Apply. Okay. So now for these things, I will be not getting null, saying that why? Because previously I have not mentioned about that. So now you're understanding the difference between that one and this one. You're getting or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so now the same thing continue. One more thing we will see. What is that else if also? Okay, so now what I will do? I will take something called as report 3. Okay, if some profit is greater than 50,000, then what? Performing good. Else if, why I'm taking else if, why I'm not taking else means that is nothing but I am ending with two, like true or false. That's it. I'm ending with two statements. Then I have to use else. No, again after this, again I'm going to continue. Then I have to take else if. Understanding? If I'm taking true or false, that's it. Only two. Then I have to take else. That is where I'm going to finish it up. Next is will be end. No, I'm going to continue with one more continuations. So three criteria: greater than 500, greater than 300, greater than 0, like that. So lesser than 0, like that. Three conditions or three statements if I'm giving. So then one more is pending. So at that place I have to take else if. Else if greater than 1 lakh. Okay, what we'll do? This one will make 1 lakh. This one will make 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Then what? So sum of profit is greater than 1 lakh, then performing good. If not, else, then What will give? Good. Okay. And else, if not, falls under both. Okay, if not this one and this one, else is nothing but finally we are going to place else, then we have to say it as loss. And I'm ending the function. Any mistakes there here? Okay, sum of profit is greater than less than, performing good. Else if, again we have to give this one that we have missed. Again, else if sum of profit is greater than 50,000, then. Again, why? Because if I give directly sum of greater than 15,000 for what? The expression I'm not giving. See, just apply, give OK, and drag and drop that report 3 and see what you're getting. Apply, give OK, and drag and drop it in that place. See the final report you're getting or not.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, apply, and now I'll do it. Okay. So performing good, good, loss. So you understood, right? How we have to compare that function if and here. So it will be easier. Just 3 steps here. Continue. So now go for sheet 1. Here we have average,
Sir,
right?
again, sir.
Tell me, tell me.
One formula, sir.
Again, formula. You want to see the formula?
Yes, sir.
Take.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. So now, if average is greater than 300, the sheet 1. Okay. Then they are pass. If average is greater than 250, fail. Else out of the class. Whatever you want. Or else grade also you can give. A, B, fail. If average is greater than 300, I'll give the question. Average is greater than 300. A. If average is greater than 250, then B. If average is not belongs to both 250 or 300, then they are fail. Okay. So I think 300 is okay. Anyway, I've taken 450, 400 like that. You'll take like 350, 300. Clear? So how you will do this one? For the sheet 1. Do it. Average if it is greater than 350, grade A. 250 means grade B. Lesser than that means they are fail. That I wanted you to apply it in this place. How? Do it anyone fast and send me. Done? Please send me any of you. Finish the last 5 minutes to go. Instead of typing and sending the formula, Prajna, you would have applied in the tableau and you would have sent a photo. If average greater than 300, then A. Else if average is greater than 250, then B. Else if else that fail, F end. Okay, okay. That is not F, it is I said as a fail. Okay. Formula is right. I think instead of typing this time, you would have applied and show me that screenshot of output of this. So this one, the sheet 1, the final question, what I told you, and the sheet 2, whatever I have done, this one, report 1, report 2, report 3, the basic starting of formulas. Basic starting of formulas. Okay. Just do it and send it to me. Clear? Rajna,
Present, sir.
Vashika, Binduji,
Present, sir.
Pooja,
Present, sir.
Sanjana,
Present, sir.
Sarik Dawood. Srajal.
Present, sir.
Chaitra. Anjana.
Present, sir.
Sultana.
Present, sir.
Uh, wait, wait. Akila Fatima. Akila Fatima. 1 second. Okay, Akila Fatima, absent. Huh? Akila Armain.
Present, sir.
Viba.
Present, sir.
Manavi.
Present, sir.
Prita.
Akshata
Akshata.
present, sir. Yes,
Maria.
sir. Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Maria. Meghana,
Present,
yes.
sir.
Present, sir.
Smita. Smita. Why today less number of people are attending? 5 people are absent today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Any functions or any plans in the colleges or something is anything is going on? No, right? Who is the coordinator for this batch? Anyone is there? Akshita, who is the coordinator for this batch, ma?
Sir, we don't know.
Okay, like team leader, no one of you, like team leader, like that, no one is there.
No, sir.
Okay. Let's see why they're absent. Okay. So just complete that sheet 1. That what question I given like average 1 for based on the average passing the grade, and the sheet 2 report 1, report 2, report 3. If else and else if all 3 together you complete and send it to me. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just send it out, and the Excel file event that too. Both if you do means you'll get understood very fast. You'll get understand, the understanding will be equal or it will be very fast. How to make differentiate in both places. Okay. So see you in the next class. Remaining again the continuity of formulas you'll see in the next class.